Welcome to Conex Bänninger's B-Press installation video. With over 110 years of manufacturing excellence, B-Press is only one part of Conex Bänninger's extensive range of fittings for the HVAC industry, which is available from distributors and merchants nationwide. This video is designed to give you an overview of B-Press, the features and benefits, and to show the simplicity of how to complete a correct installation. Our market-leading B-Press range of flame-free fittings feature an innovative 3-point press system, making them quick, easy and safe to install, saving installers valuable time and money. Here's a rundown of the key features and benefits of B-Press. Permanent, flame-free connection, avoiding the need for a hot works permit. Quick and easy to install, saving on labour costs. Suitable for use with hard, half-hard and soft copper tubes as specified in technical brochure. Compatible with commonly available press tools. Patented O-ring technology, allowing water to pass through and create a noticeable leak path on unpressed joints when tested at pressures up to 6 bar. No braze, solder or gas consumables required. 25-year product guarantee. For installers, the fact that B-Press is flame-free avoids the risk of fire, and there's low installation costs with no gas or oxygen bottles needed, no brazing equipment or hot works permit needed. B-Press is a fit and forget solution, saving valuable time and money on site. Take a closer look at the innovative technology behind B-Press and how the 3-point press works. Finally, we look at the leak before press indicator. The press fitting is designed to leak, with the 2 leak paths allowing water through to create a leak at low pressure. Once the leak is identified, it can then be pressed, with no need to drain the system. When pressure testing, it should not be ramped up to 16 bar straight away, as any unpressed joints may create a false seal. Here's an overview of the solution available in the B-Press range. For more information, visit Conex Bänninger's website. There are a number of manufacturers' tools you can use. We recommend Rothenberger and 2 types of press machines shown here. There's also a number of jaws on the market to choose from too, but just 2 types for B-Press. Again, we would recommend Rothenberger jaws, but please review compatible tools and jaws on our website. Please note, M-profile jaws are not compatible. Here's our simple B-Press installation step by step. Step 1. Cut the tube to length using a rotary tube cutter. Ensure that the tube is cut square and that the tube has retained its shape. If there's any scratches on the tube, cut it back so it's damage free. Step 2. Deburr the tube. Deburr the tube internally and externally. Where possible, angling the tube downwards to prevent filings entering the tube. Make sure the surfaces of the tube ends are smooth and free from burns or sharp edges so the tube doesn't damage the O-ring insertion. Step 3. Check the fitting is the correct size for the tube and that the O-rings are present and correctly seated. Step 4. Assemble and mark the insertion depth so that the tube is fully inserted into the fitting until it reaches the tube stop. To reduce the risk of dislodging the O-ring, rotate the tube, if possible, while pushing it into the fitting. Mark the insertion depth on the tube and prior to pressing, ensure the tube has not moved out from the fitting socket. Step 5. Complete the joint with the press tool. Ensure the correct size jaw is inserted into the tool. Place the jaw squarely onto the fitting, locating the groove on the bead which should fit centrally in the groove of the jaw. Depress and hold the start button on the press tool to complete the pressing cycle. Complete the press cycle once only. Do not repress. Step 6. Mark the completed joint after pressing to enable joints to be inspected easily before testing. For more information, visit conexbanager.com.